how to change the time format in the Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can change the time format. That means I will show you how you can convert AM PM to a 24-hour format, or converting a 24-hour format into a AM or PM 12-hour format within the Where is my train application. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Where is my train application, and once the application open up, you can see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, you will need to click onto these three horizontal lines present at the top left corner of your screen, and the moment you will do this, it will open or launch this navigation menu. Now in this navigation menu, you will need to click onto the settings option, and within the settings option under the personal settings you can find this time settings. So it says AM PM format time. So if you want the time format to be a 12-hour clock, that means AM or PM, you can enable this. Or if you don't want it to be a AM or PM format, you can simply disable this. If you will disable this, most of the time will be available in 24-hour format. So that's how easily you can change the time format within the Where is my train application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.